Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and I probably modeled it over here. Let's actually deploy it, shall we? And how difficult is it? You'll see it's not difficult at all. All right, let's see the API. So the first thing that you need to is import gradio. Do that. What's the problem? No module named gradio, so you need to implement it first. Yeah, you need to install it first. So it's very simple in Linux. All you need to do is a pip install gradio. Hope it works. Yes, it will work. Next, what do I need to do? So I need to define a function that will take in some input, right? And the input will be number of days since, or maybe it will take a date, maybe. Okay. So def predict, maybe it's gonna take it a date, which is gonna be a datetime object, by the way. Oh, not a datetime object. Let's actually just. Okay, let's actually just input the date in terms of a string, basically. All right. Date which was going to be a string, by the way. Anyways, first I need to convert it into a datetime object, and then I'm going to be converting into what is it? That number of days elapsed. What was the function? Calculate days since date. Now I'm going to feed it inside my model. That equals return model state. I think that's enough. Let's actually deploy it. Let's see. Gr dot. What do I need? It's. Let's actually go to the documentations because I'm not exactly sure. My input needs to be a number, so I'm gonna go over here. It's gonna it gives me an API. Gradio dot inputs dot number, and I've imported gradio as gr. So, oops, I forgot. Let's see. Yep. Gr dot interface. Gr dot interface. Oh yeah, interface. Gr dot interface. Function will be predict. I hope it works, by the way. Let's actually just try before actually whether this function even works. Predict. What's today's date? 2021 August 28th. It doesn't work. Integers required. Of course. Of course. Yeah. So let's do one thing. Let's actually. Just copy me, please. Object is not iterable. Oh, okay. Let's actually do something. Int I for I in date dot split. So what I'm basically doing is that I hope this works. Yeah, this works. Okay, good. So basically what I've done is that I'm going to be passing in like this format. Dot split is basically going to like find out wherever there are spaces. I'm going to separate it by commas, and each of them I'm going to be converting into integers, which is going to be passed into this function, and I'm going to get some values. Yeah, this works. That's good. Yeah, so I have this. I need to find some input. Input will be, but input needs to be, like, what do they actually have? Input needs to be a number. So gr dot inputs dot number. I hope this works. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. And what else do I need? Output. Output will be a number. Output will be number as well, right? Yeah. Or oh, this needs to be. Let's check. It needs to be a number. Yeah. So it's also a number. So let's check. Let's just copy this. Outputs. Sorry. Interface must be of the type string or input component, but class got class this. Okay, let's check what's actually going on. Or does it have to be a list? Oh. I'm just trying different things. I don't know, right? So, for this maybe, yeah. To initialize the class, right? Output interface must be of a type string or output component. Now, what the hell is an output component? But do they actually have some implementation? Like, how am I supposed to know? Oh, okay. Here you go. Gr dot inputs. Of course. Makes sense. I have no idea. What will make this work? What's going wrong? What's the error again? Output interface must be of the type str or output. Got it. Default. Let's actually look at some example. Oh. Okay. I can just do this maybe. Yep, it's working. Let's launch it. Yeah, it's working now. Let's actually wait for it, and I'll also share a link with you guys. You can actually try it for yourselves, meaning that you can actually share it with other people. This will actually only work for 24 hours as of now, because it's free. But you can share it with all your friends, whatever you do. So let's say let's pass a date. What will be the date? Oh shit! I made a mistake actually. It needs to be a string, right? The input needs to be a string. So what was that for string? text. Sorry, this needs to be text. Sorry. Oh. Function missing required argument day. Where? I don't know. Let's check. Work. There's an error. Okay. Let's look at string as well. Text. Output is also a text. So, okay, let's actually let's make it simpler then. Let the date be a number itself, right? Like, I just want to make it work for now. Let's see, and then we'll probably debug it later on next time. Not an issue. Well, let's just see. Okay, this works. Let me just pass in 3,400 days, which is I think. And it gives me some output. So what is 400 days, by the way? 3,400 days since first day plus 3,400. Let's check. 400 days since 4 January 2010. It's April 27th, 2019. Let's actually check what was the price of Google on that day. Google stock. What was that? April 27, 2019. Let's check. April 27. Yeah, I have 20. Yeah, it's about $1,200. And what did I get? Where is it? About the same. Yeah, I mean it's working. And let me actually just share it with you guys. You can actually just use it and share it with each other, and like probably you can share whatever you make with everyone else. So yeah, I'm gonna stop over here. What I'm gonna ask you to do is probably like uh, try to build any model if you like who asks you to pick up any data set you like and like try to work on it from end to end. Make a regression model if you think that we've not completed logistic regression and you don't feel confident to do that. And actually just even if you do nothing, just in the next 2 weeks, all I ask you to do is go through this notebook and like learn everything. Try to code down everything from scratch. As a good exercise, you can also try to like do like complete whatever we've left today, because it's honestly not very hard. You can actually do that. All you need to do is do some Google searches as to what loss function needs to be used, and everything else is the same. And see what you come up with. All right. So I'm really sorry for taking so much of your time, and I'll see you guys next time on 11th of